So today, Flavour, the Jelly One of Africa, is actually laying the father to rest. The father died somewhere early part of last month, and today he's putting him to rest. You can see how he is dressed in the very royal Igbo attire. And yes, H.E. Peter Obi is in Enugu as well. And yes, they just accidentally meet up at the same hotel where they lodged together, and it's going to be a very beautiful day as Flavour, a lot of beautiful celebrities are going to be at this burial today. And honestly, I'm right here. I'm going to be giving it to you guys back to back as it comes. Enjoy this one. Don't forget to drop a comment.
iLiveNG.com